Welcome to Gear Jammer Garage. Today I'm going to be working on my trunk on my 1996 Impala. One thing I noticed when I open the trunk, my light doesn't turn on. And I put a LED bulb in there. It worked for a little bit, it stopped working. This here is a tilt switch that makes it turn on. I'll verify that with the power probe. But I got some other LED lights that I'm going to put, some strips down here. And I got a new tilt switch from Watson Street Works. I'm going to clean all this out. I'm going to take out all the flout, that gray flout material. I'll throw some kill mat down and find a good place to ground my amps that I'm going to be running back here. And then I'll fix that ground there, little stuff like that. So I'm going to start cleaning all this out and get started. So I got the power probe out. That wire that's broken here has power, and you can see that it goes here into this thing, and then this thing has that little exposed metal there. If I put power to it, the light turns on. So this here is the factory tilt switch, and it's broken right there. So I'm gonna cut this out. I have another tilt switch, and then I'll add the LEDs, and now I've verified that that's what this does. So, and the light works. It's just a problem in the wiring. So like I said, I'm gonna clean all this out, and then I'll fix that when I have all this clean. So I've never cleaned out this trunk before. I found this old clipping from a newspaper. Saturday, September 14, 1996. I'll read this later. Previous owner must have clipped this out. Look how much these cars were brand new. $24,900. Pretty cool. So it's getting kind of dark out. I got the new weather stripping in. It's pretty easy to do. Just pull out the old one, clean the edges real nice like I did. And there's this little piece here that seals the edges, and then there's another little rubber that goes in between to seal this off. There's my old one there. The package didn't come with a part number, so when I edit this video I'll put the part number here on the screen. That's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna clean all this up again just in case there's any debris, get all that put away that was in here, and I'll kill mat this, and I'm gonna fix that ground next time that's there. I'm gonna do the tilt switch and then add some lighting in here and repair this for the subwoofer that's gonna go in here, the amps. I do have the factory spare tire. I'll bring that back, and then I'll work my way forward. I'm still avoiding working on that dash. I'm really doing everything I can to avoid working on that dash. So thanks for watching, guys. See you guys next time.